Hi, as we can see in this equation, in this simultaneous equation, we have denominators also under the variable. So our first job will be to remove these denominators. So the step first will be to remove the denominator. How do we remove the denominator? We take the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of 7 and 3? 7 into 3 is 21. So we will multiply the whole equation with 21. So first term multiplied by 21, second term multiplied by 21, and the right side also multiplied by 21. 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. So now we have cut 21 with 7, we have divided. Now we are left with 3. We will multiply 3 with all the numbers inside the bracket, all the terms inside the bracket. So 3 into 2 becomes 6x plus 3 plus 7 into 5, 35y minus 21 is equal to 12 into 21. What is 12 into 21? 12 into 21 is 252. So 6x plus 35y, and we will take these constant to the other side of the equation. Plus 3 goes there and become minus 3, and minus 21 becomes plus 21. So this becomes 6x plus 35y is equal to 252 minus 3. We'll subtract and then we will add 21. Together when we solve, it comes out to be 270. So this becomes my equation, say third. Now we will solve the second equation. That means we will remove this denominator 9 and 2. Eliminate the denominator. So same step we will do here also. That means what we will do? We will multiply the whole equation with the LCM of the denominators. 9 2s are 80. So we will multiply it by 18. Now here 2 9s are 18, 9 2s are 18. So now it will become 9 multiplied by 3x, 9 3s are 27x plus 9 2s are 18. Now it is minus 2. So we are multiplying 4y with minus 2. We know when we multiply with minus sign and the number inside is plus. So plus minus becomes minus, and 4 2s are 8y. Same way we will multiply the digits. 3 2s are 6 and minus plus becomes minus. Here also we will multiply it with 18. So 13 into 18 becomes 234. So now this becomes 27x minus 8y. Get all the constant to the other side. Plus 18 goes that side and it becomes minus 18. Minus 6 comes here. It becomes plus 6. 234 minus 18. Whatever answer we'll get, we'll add to plus 6. So we will see what we get as the answer, that is 222. So this becomes our equation 4. Now we will solve our equation third and equation 4. So let's write it down. 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. And the second one is 27x minus 8y is equal to 222. Again we will solve the equation by eliminating the x or y depending upon our choice. So for the elimination process, what we do, we make the coefficient of the variable same. Here I am making the coefficient of x as same. So we know we'll take the LCM of 6 and 27. This is how we take the LCM. We divide, we write it together, and 3 2s are 6 and 9. Now we know 9 is not divisible and 2 is also not divisible by same number. So let's do it step by step. 3 3 3 1. Now it is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 6s are 54. So our LCM turns out to be 54. That means we will make this coefficient 6 as 54. To make 6 as 54, we will multiply it with 9. And to make 27 with 54, we will multiply it by 2. So now what it will become? 54x plus 35 into 9. That is 315y is equal to 270 into 9. That is 2430. Right? Same way we will multiply 27 with 2. It becomes 54x minus 8 2s are 16y is equal to 444. 2 into 2 is 444. Now we will change the sign of this plus as minus so that this gets cancelled. As we change the sign of one variable, we'll change the sign of others also. We are subtracting in a way. So this plus 444 becomes minus and this minus becomes plus. Now we will add the two coefficients. 315 plus 16 becomes 331y is equal to 2430 minus 444, because now it's minus. That turns out to be 1986. So y is equal to 1986. 331 comes to the other side and it becomes divide, because here it is multiply. So now 331 into 6 is 1986. So y value becomes 6. We'll put the value of y in any of these two equations, either this or this. So let's put it in this equation, fourth equation. So 27x minus 8 into 6, that is 8y, this one is equal to 222. So 8 6 is 48. So 27x is equal to 222 plus minus 48 goes that side, it becomes plus. So this becomes 8 plus 2 10, 4 plus 2 6 7, 270. 27x is equal to 270. So x is equal to 270 divided by 27, that is 10. So this is how we will solve such kind of equation in which the denominators are there. We'll first eliminate the denominator and then solve it accordingly.